Is that right? Actually, win every night. So.
I'm over here by a school.
Alright, is he Mark?
Marking?
Alright, y'all need to either go or
Come on,
come back.
let's go. Can I slide by you?
Yeah, I'm going to. Where are we going?
Get off my lawn! They sent us here. I eat it.
They're delicious.
Get off my lawn! No trespass. Kirby barbecue. I like ribs.
Wait, was there that one?
I don't think so.
Get off my lawn!
It needs to be mowed.
I'm actually kind of scared. For a body part. You shouldn't. What you want?
We're on this side now.
Watch the trophies. Hey, how's it going?
What's up?
You guys are looking great.
Howdy.
I've been waiting all evening for you. We had pasta too. Hey, how's it going?
What's up?
Oh, shit.
I'm actually scared. Watch your step!
Oh, yeah. She scares the one in front of her.
Let's wait like a minute or two for them to go.
Awesome.
Sorry if I touch you, I can't see nothing.
It's really dark in here.
Wow. There goes a light there.
Woo, there you are. This way.
Not here. Wow. Okay.
It's already breaking. Ahoy!
It's you that took the last of me, Ronnie.
Oh, it was.
I'll send you straight to a watery grave.
I'd like to see you drive.
You don't know how to swim, scallywag.
He's been trying to drink that way.
Price of drinking me rum is death.
Bro, they had a cow in here last year.
This is definitely one of the better ones.
Across the plank, it's straight into a watery grave.
Down with Davy Jones' locker.
And Jordan May. What's that?
Scallywags.
Why are we going? Come on, grandmas! My grandma couldn't go in there.
Yeah. It's pretty tough. Yeah, no hands. No hands. Really?
I'll send you all straight to a watery grave. Land ho!
Yeah, Bert.
No!
I'll send you straight to the bottom of the United States now.
There you go. Oh, sweet. They got a gorf in here. How much for the gorf? Nice.
How many quarters? I like quarters. You know why I like quarters? Because they're shiny and they have the one guy's face on it.
Smoking's bad.
You use Tide. Lollipop.
No.
What? What do you use? I am Bubbles.
I'm more of a. Let's see. I like the Purex myself.
Thank you.
Oh my god!
God, there's bubbles.
Lots of bubbles. That is epic.
So nice.
That is pretty cool, man.
I'm so
That's cool that this old trailer still has a use, huh?
Oh God.
That wasn't even funny. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my God. Everything is going.
Hey, Travis. That's a new trailer right there. It's bigger than yours. Dude, 29 footer. Actually, this one's a little bit Probably want a cracker?
I didn't know that.
Got beers?
Yeah.
Niggers?
That understand.
Let's hear the old track.
Sadly, I've not been able to
Track
report.
house here. Y'all got it too? Dude. Hey, I need that venison.
This is a good house where I may or may not
Where's the beer brand?
not own the keys in the land.
Solar spot.
Yes, I did. We squatted for the rights of the property.
Made it myself.
That's so cool.
Well, I think this service man's just always that old. Good old service man. Call him Danowski. Yeah.
Oh my God, it's a furry.
No, it's a ghillie suit.
Yeah, buddy. They're trying to find this animal.
Skunk bait. That's a fucking.
Let him out.
It's a skunk bait.
Someone gets it.
Hey. Oh, he got hops.
Who let the animal out? Okay. Why? Why?
I don't know, ask her. No.
Why'd you let him out?
I don't know.
Call it Pasquale.
Oh, hey, hands in our pockets this time. We're not throwing it up.
You better run! They're gonna get you! They're coming for you!
You don't even see his fingers.
Trailers ago.
Stuffed animals on the wall. No, that's not creepy.
Here, hold my baby. Don't be shy. Hi. Hold my baby. Don't clean out. Hold my baby.
Yeah.
Here. Don't touch him. Keep going.
Hi. Keep going. Keep going. All the creepy stuffed animals on the wall. Poopy stuffed animals. I say so myself. Did they just say poopy stuffed animals?
Pretty
I said creepy stuffed animals. I thought you said poopy. I'm like, no. Keep going. They're gonna get you.
They're coming.
From where?
You better run. All the dolls on the walls come to life at night. You better run. They're gonna get you.
I know they are.
Don't look behind you.
I don't want to.
And yes.